This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Today we want to show you guys how to replace a door handle. Yeah, I got a funny story behind this. I parked this car in front of a estate sale in front of somebody's house, and some guy tried to open the door with a screwdriver, and he just broke this thing. So I bought a replacement from eBay. It's not the same color. We're going to paint it later, but we're going to show you how to replace something like this if this ever happened to you. So let's get started. The screw that controls that this part of the handle is right in here. So all you have to do is just pull it out, just comes out, and as you can see right there, that's the nut that controls it. So let's take it out. I think it's a T27. So we just checked it, and so let's take that out. All right, let's loosen this. All right, it's loose. All right, so in our case, because somebody broke it off this intentionally, there's a piece stuck in there, and because we are replacing it with a new part of this handle, and this one already comes with this nut here. So you want to make sure when you're replacing this thing, you want to take this nut out, okay? But when you do that, the screw that's in here, okay, the screw that's in here, if you try to take the nut out without holding the screw, it'll just fall off into this opening here, and you won't be able to get it out. You have to get a new one. So you want to be careful when you do this. Hold the nut, okay? Oh, hold this nut on this side and take this out, okay? And you should be able to twist it out. Just turn it and it should just come out. Alright, so it's out. Now you should be able to put a new one on there, and then make sure before you put it back on that whatever the gasket that's there, you do want to put that back on here. Alright? Alright, just try to hold that. Okay. And now, alright, now hold that carefully and then tighten it. Alright. Okay, it's in. Alright, once this is in, just put the cover back on. Just press it in and it's in. Thank you for watching.